All right, so again for this one, I'll first go about my reasoning, kind of how I would figure out how to do this, and then I'll do the proof. Okay. So the first thing is that k plus 1 plus 1 factorial, right? This is just k plus 2 factorial, which is equal to k plus 2 times k plus 1 factorial. Right, so I talked about why this was in a previous video. All right, and then now looking at p of k, remember this is our assumption. This is, you've got k plus 1 factorial greater than or equal to 3 to the k. Now this is where I'm starting at. This is my left-hand side, and it looks like this. And notice that both of these have a k plus 1 factorial in them, right? So I think to myself, okay, well, what could I, well, let's just multiply everything by this k plus 2 here and see what happens. Now let's see, this side becomes k times 3 to the k plus 2 times 3 to the k. Now the thing to always remember this is that with these, a lot of times our starting point, our base case will really help us, because here we know that k is greater than or equal to 4. That's really important, right? Because, and we're just trying to get to 3 to the k plus 1. 3 to the k plus 1, right? Remember, this is 3 times 3 to the k. Right, so this is definitely bigger than 3 times 3 to the k, right? This piece is definitely bigger than that. And notice this, because k is greater than or equal to 4, so that means that this number here is greater than or equal to 4. So that's 4 times 3 to the k, or bigger. So 4 times 3 to the k or bigger is definitely bigger than 3 times 3 to the k. That's that there. And then with this part here, we can just put 0 there, right? Because 0 is definitely smaller than 2 times 3 to the k, right? And this is all we need, 3 times 3 to the k. That's 3 to the k plus 1, so we've got it. Okay, so left-hand side, I'm going to write that as k plus 2 factorial. I think it's clear. We know that k plus 1 factorial is k plus 2 factorial. All right, that's k plus 2 times k plus 1 factorial. Which is bigger than k plus 2 times 3 to the k. This is our inductive assumption, p of k. This is equal to k times 3 to the k plus 2 times 3 to the k, which is greater than 3 times 3 to the k plus 0, I think we need a little justification there. The justification would be that k greater than or equal to 4 implies that k times 3 to the k well, let's just do that. Let's just write it like this. K greater than or equal to 4. That's the right-hand side.